Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will introduce the color of the year 2025 by the top paint manufacturers. Before we start, let's recap the Pantone color of the year from year 2015 to 2024. The Pantone color of the year is a color trend forecast for consumer, which means that it's intended to be used by consumer products and design created for clients. Pantone color of the year is created to engage the design community and color enthusiasts around the world in a conversation around the color. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you. Pantone color of the year 2025, Future Dusk. Bear paint color of the year 2025, Rumors. Sherwin-Williams color of the year 2025, Quietude. Glidden and PPG color of the year 2025, Purple Basil. Dutchboy color of the year 2025, Matte Blue. Beauty tone color of the year 2025, Midnight Flora. Stain Master color of the year 2025, Truffle. Little Green color of the year 2025, Mochi. Verona magazine color of the year 2025, Cosmic Cobalt. C2 paint color of the year 2025, Raku. Graham and brown color of the year 2025, Elderton. Brides and minted wedding color of the year 2025, Verona sunset. Dulux color of the year 2025, True Joy. Seco color of the year 2025, Starry Night. Dunn Edwards color of the year 2025, Caramelized. Krylon color of the year 2025, Hammered Black. Benjamin Moore color of the year 2025, Cinnamon Slate. That's all the colors for this upcoming year 2025. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.